What's up, everyone? Trent here, Precision Transmission, and we've got a '01 Chevy 2500 HD. We've actually already done the transmission in this thing, and he is back for his 3,000 mile service. So we're going to show you what it's like to do a 3,000 mile service on a 4L80E. So first of all, we pull the stick out of the tube. I have my, hold on, wait for it, new filter ready to go. We're gonna get new fluid in this thing, and also while we're here on this 3,000 mile service, we're gonna be servicing the front and rear differentials. So let's get this thing in the air. Now that we've got our vehicle up in the air, let's check it out. So this vehicle has 3,000 miles on it. We are servicing the transmission. Probably not one of the easiest ones to do, especially if you're having to do one of these at home. They are really tight. I like to take the drive shaft not completely out. Well, maybe sometimes, we'll see. But then get your linkage up out of the way as well. And then you might have to lift it up with a jack. Maybe not, to get it up above our cross member. So we're gonna see what that's like. But also, while we have this thing in the air, we're gonna be servicing our front differential and our rear differential. Cool. We have a drain plug. As long as we don't have any leaks from the rear, and we don't, looks really good. We're able to just drain it, fill it, new fluid, and get our customer back on the road. Everything's looking really good. Okay, you know me, getting ahead of myself. We got nice, pretty pink fluid. We like to catch it in a drain to where we can inspect it at the same time as it drains, so we can see if there's any metal flake or anything coming out of our transmission. Also, once we get the pan off, we'll really know, because there's a magnet right there, and it collects anything if there's any trash being circulated through the unit. So I've been videoing this from start to finish. I want to show y'all guys a 3,000 mile service. No funny business here. I haven't had the pan down yet. I had my mom come grab the phone. We're all gonna see it at first eye.
I don't want to be splattered.
I'm not gonna splash you. We've got it drained, so it's gonna be nice and light. Oh, hey, look, I got another bolt over there. Hold on. Wait for it. Y'all just thought. Okay. Nice and easy. Hold on. Our gasket's hanging up, so we gotta let it come down with it. Are you ready? This is a 3,000 mile service on one of our units after it's been freshly built. That looks really, really good. I mean, it's like the customer ain't barely driving it. I mean, he's not even from here. He's been driving it back and forth, I think even towing something. So they went on Memorial Weekend, had their fun, and back to us for a nice, beautiful service. Let me show y'all this. This is why we do this. That first initial service is so important. You might step back just a little bit, Mom.
Oh, I am.
Okay. It's a brand new filter, but it just builds up so fast, that first initial break-in. So now, what we're gonna do, new filter, you don't reuse it.
Yeah.
Nice and easy like that. We're gonna get our pan cleaned up, and I'll get back with y'all shortly, so don't go anywhere. Now that we have hand cleaned our pan, instant clean, we'll finish our job. 3-minute wash it is. Okay, 3-minute wash is done. Man, they cooked the paint off that thing. Tell me that thing ain't cooking. Have to repaint that bad boy. Should be able to hold it now. Nice fresh pan. Beautiful clean magnet. New gasket. New filter. Gonna be like a new ride. Especially after we get the rear and front diff serviced. Sweet. Nice. I have everything put back where it needs to go. Our service is now complete with a beautiful painted pan, as y'all noticed. So I had to pull the drive shaft out of the way. Did not have to pull it. Best thing to do is pull your O2 sensor out, put it to the side, put your drive shaft to the side so you're not breaking nothing. And we're gonna bend this over just a wee bit so our pan can come down. Watch your plug, because you can break your plug. So like I said, just a little bit. You just want to bend it a little, which will allow your pan to get by. But also you have to raise the transmission up here. I took my mount out to make everything easy. Guys, we want to be easy. You know, I know it is a little bit of work, but think smarter, not harder. So I'm all about easy here, and smarter, not harder. So we lifted everything up, got our mount out of the way, which allowed the pan to come off really nice. So now that we've got that done, let's come over here to our rear end. Got it loose, so it should just come right out. I don't know how long this stuff has been in there, so we're about to find out together. I mean, I know that looks bad. It is dark, but it's just caramely. You don't see that. It's just really old. So it was definitely time to service this thing. So I'm gonna pull our fill plug out where this thing can hurry up and drain. Let's do it. You can see it relieved, but just dark. Okay, we'll see y'all guys shortly with some new oil. So we have our rear differential drained. We're waiting for fluid, so we're gonna go ahead and drain our front differential. I was about to say, I know there's more than that. There we go. So, got a little on the magnet, not bad. Not like some of these I get in here that the color does not change. It stays gunmetal gray. I love how I've had people tell me that that's the dye in the fluid or the type of the fluid. Gunmetal gray is not a fluid type, not that I've seen. If so, prove me wrong, because this still is not gunmetal gray. Just real caramely, as you can see here. Trying to get it to focus. Not as dark as our one in the back, but just caramely. Nothing too bad. So we'll get these things serviced up, new fluid in them like that. We've got new fluid in, running out. gonna go ahead and cap that. And I did get my front one already serviced. Guys, these people are sitting in the waiting room. Don't tell them. No, they actually know I'm videoing so they can see it later. But I'm having to hurry so we can get these guys seriously back on the road. But brand new fluid in the rear end. Our transmission is serviced. New fluid in the transfer case. This is how we do it here at Precision Transmission. If you liked it, go give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Seriously, you never know what's coming through the door next.